We are back, ladies and gentlemen. 71 degrees outside today. Partly cloudy. Sun came out a little bit. Not bad outside. And yet here we are. We've got Dark Bro first in the chat. People, what's going on, Dark Bro? Claw, Rocky, Kira, how you doing? Furtado Beats, what's happening? Furtado makes beats. Tim, what's going on? D's, Dark Bro, D's, Tim, Dark Bro, D's, Lucky Thoughts, Dark Bro, Tim, Nick F, good afternoon to you. Pudgy, what's going on? D's, how you doing? Dark Bro, STSY, Sean, Dark Bro, Sean, Next Level, Tim, Shredda, Dark Bro, we got Tim, D's, PS5, Dark Bro, Next Level, Dark Bro, Hemling, Moji, we've got Hemling, Furtado, PS5, Dark Bro, Tim, Dark Bro, Moji, Hemling, Shredda, Brian, Sean, JB, hey fam, what's going on, JB, Sean, Dark Bro, Next Level, Mind of a Millie, Maya, yeah, it's definitely gonna be Maya, SNR, Hemling, Tim, and Hemling. Thank you guys for being here. And that's the show, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. No, let's jump over to the market and see what's going on. Hemling, oh, Hemling. Hemling laughing like that. I don't know if you mistyped or if we've got ourselves a Spanish speaker in the chat right now. Fairgrounds, what's going on? One and only Bronson, how you doing? Sean, Hemling. Okay, yes, maybe it was the H. You're great, man. You're great, dude. William, Kevin, Flight Team, what's happening? The market is looking okay right now. AMC up 5%. Was doing much better earlier, but bouncing nicely into the afternoon here, and seems like it's going to finish, close strong on the day. Shiba Inu coin down 1.12%. GameStop sitting at 29.15, up 0.80% on the day. Man, I am telling you, the QQQ said you, and just moved nicely higher throughout the rest of the day. Forget these inflation concerns, forget people that want to act conservative, forget anybody who wants to alleviate risk. No, we are moving higher today. NASDAQ doing the same thing, up 1.14%. Bior Therapeutics, barcoding looks like Braille all day long today, sitting at $69.97, 70 cents per share. AMC, $10.20, up 4.89% of the day. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin. Ethereum and Shiba both down, Bitcoin slightly up. $22,500, not bad on Bitcoin, man. Sundial sitting at 2.78, Mullen Auto, 57 cents, falling pretty hard towards the end of the day here. CEI, down 0.21%. SPY, 410.22, BBIG, $1.14. Highcroft Mining, 80 cents per share. Netflix sitting at 236.18. Clovis, $1.51. Man, 32% today on Clovis. Wow. Wow. Look at this trade today on Clovis. Where's the daily? Look at the daily on Clovis, man. Come back down to this entry. I must have got in at 95 cents. That's why I got this line right here. Wow, rolling nicely today. Up 32% on the day. Boxed, sitting at $1.08. Don't like that graph anymore on Boxed. Revlon, 668. Terra Luna Classic, 34,000 points per coin. QQQ up 1% of the day. And Ape, ooh, man, sell-off into the afternoon here. Ape was doing nice at 605. A couple terrible red candles along with AMC. A couple terrible red candles there. Going down into the close right now. But let's watch Terra Luna Classic on the bottom left. And we want to see higher, soaring, flying. Yes, do it. Just one short of my name. Flight Team Bravo. Just one short, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and become a bro. Listen to Flight Team, man. Listen to Flight Team for sure. Vote 2. What's going on, Vote 2? Yo, JJ, how you doing? Luna Classic chart on the bottom left, baby. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, how low do you think Luna will go? AMC GME Luna MOAS. Look, how low do I think it will go? I don't know how low it can go or whatever. But if we look at this right here, we can see, I know there's a lot of lines on the chart now, but my next level of support is like 28,000 to 26,000. It may have held up down here at this $30,000 to $32,000 level. Nice round numbers. They may have held up and we might be bouncing back. If it's just a little bit of a stagnation period, then we hit another downturn, I think that we're looking at this area right in here where my support lines are. Like, concerning level down here. This was such a strong resistance to break through. I would be concerned if it broke down below it again. Well, this was like kind of not a line in the sand necessarily, but a very strong level right here at 22,000 if we do end up coming that down or coming that low. But nonetheless, right now, we're green, man. So right now, we're looking for gains, baby. Gains right now in Terra Luna Classic. Let's get a rally. I think Terra Luna Classic was 6.006. Yeah. How many zeros you got there? Yeah, I think it can hit that high again. Dude, hitting that high gives you like a $3 billion market cap. I don't think that that's obscene. You know, I don't think a $3 billion market cap on this coin is crazy. I expected, okay, let me put it this way. I expected these pullbacks last week. I expected these pullbacks to happen last week. So the fact that they're happening from 60,000 as opposed to happening from 30,000 is great for me. Why did I expect them last week? You guys may remember the videos I did when I said like we got difficulty ahead, talking about the stagnation period between catalysts. There's something that you guys, if you haven't noticed about retail investors yet, you'll notice it soon enough, but I'm going to point it out to you, and then you guys can have that little bit of a bias there and try to recognize it. Retail investors are extremely like short-tempered and need to have something going on. If there's no catalyst, if there's no hype and excitement, they die out fast. They die out fast. So with a 10-day period, and now it's down to 8 days. But with 8 days before the next major catalyst in this 1.2% burn tax, I think there's an absolute possibility that if this Head and Shoulders doesn't play out as the peak and we don't break down a little bit further, I think there's an absolute possibility we just see some slow sideways action like this for possibly another week. You know, without that catalyst to drive excitement, retail investors are, look, don't take this the wrong way, right? But they're kind of lame in the fact that the vast majority of them give up very easily. So that's kind of like my thoughts on what we could be doing over the next week here. But nonetheless, you can't ignore the fact that we're still up roughly 800% from when we were touching 4,000 points per coin. And now we're sitting at 34,000 points per coin. Don't ignore that. Down 400, look. Furtado, listen, down 400 is, that could absolutely be a lot compared to your overall position. Even if you could have invested $700 right now, a couple days ago, and you'd be down $400 right now. No, if you would have invested, you wouldn't be down 400. You would have invested like 800 or 900 and be down 400 right now, or 1,000 and be down 400 right now. I was thinking you had 400 left. Nonetheless, man, yes, that is the volatility. That is that is why this is not a trade for conservative investors. This is a trade for lunatics. This is a death spiral. Why can't traders admit defeat? Oh, Bonnie, traders can admit defeat. Here's the thing that you think is the defeat part, though. And this is the part where a lot of people are looking to that would lead to you not considering defeat. Terra Luna Classic is still at the very beginning stages of rebuilding. Yes, there was a lot of hype over the last week with staking being re-enabled. Yes, I do believe there will be a lot of hype once the burn tax starts to be re-enabled, or starts to be enabled, not re-enabled, never burned before, starts to be enabled. So there's a lot driving the price higher, and any time an asset 10x's in value, you are going to see profit taking. And we're seeing profit taking right now. We're seeing a stagnation between catalysts, and we're seeing retail investors, some of them admitting defeat. 1 minute, Clay. It is the market close, man. I missed the market close again. Nonetheless, guys, AMC closing at 5.25% higher today, $10.23. Shiba Inu coin, $12.83. GameStop, $29.18. And Terra Luna Classic, $34,344 at the moment. JB, sorry I missed that. Pringleton, if you're in here. Yes, Pringleton is in here. Sorry I missed it, Pringleton. I'm a bad boy. I'm a bad boy. Moji, no, I've still got hope for Voyager. So here's what I see for Voyager, man. I don't know if we're going to get 100% back. I would imagine it's going to be a percentage less than 100% that we get back. So unfortunately, I have kind of written off some of those cryptos that I've got on there. Now, that doesn't mean that there's not a chance that they don't try to make us whole with the VGX token. And if they do that, perfect. I could sell it immediately and be made whole. I'd be happy with that. But guys, there's so much money to be made in the crypto space by allowing people to buy and sell and buy and sell. One of two things is going to happen. Voyager's either going to restructure and come out of this stupid bankruptcy debt-free, and they're going to continue to find new customers. Customers who were not on Voyager and now use Voyager. Or they're going to get bought out, and somebody's going to run their platform. And it's going to be under a new name. It's going to not be associated with Voyager, and they're going to be able to find new customers. So I don't think that Voyager is going to get hit with this. I think you and I are going to take the hit, and Voyager is going to be fine. Would I use Voyager again? Not to hold my crypto, but I did like their platform, and I would buy on there. I would buy and sell on there, but I wouldn't hold on there. I don't want to hold on any centralized exchange. What are we talking about? Hearing about not being patient in defeat? Better not be talking about me. Wouldn't be surprised if it was about me, but holding AMC because I still can't admit my AMC loss. Chris! No, we're not talking about you, man. Bonnie said something about LUNC traders not being able to admit defeat and selling their Terra Luna Classic right now. My exchange does not let me send LUNC. The only way is to convert LUNC to the best conditions, then ship to buy new, or wait and see if it gets implemented. Thank God. That's not my only LUNC. Yeah, STSY. A lot of exchanges are doing some very strange things, man. And I don't understand why they're treating LUNC that way when there's such a strong focus on it right now. Where's LUNC going next? Hopefully up. I don't know. I never know 1 minute from the next. If we're looking at this chart right here, I would say it's going up next, okay? There's just this slightly little trend line right here that we've got over the last, hour and a half maybe. I would say this. We might have one more purple candle and then a green, but it looks like we might be getting a green right here. So that's the best that you can do when somebody says, what's the very next move? What's the very next candle? Look at what the trend is giving you and hope that the trend continues on. Simple as that. So it does seem like it might be holding green here, and that was not a bad call, but nonetheless, man, you guys can never predict what's going to happen next. It's impossible. Voyager 2.0. I shouldn't be laughing at that. That's way too easy. Yes, Voyager 2.0 would actually work for me, man. I would like a Voyager 2.0. That would be nice. What are you doing? Don't shoot my mother. Come on now. Okay, so just hold on. Bonnie. Well, Bonnie, I thought you said you already took your $9,000 loss. Well, Bonnie, did you close? Did you close or no? No, I don't even know. I need to change your name, not attack my bro. Yes, dude. Come on, dude. Don't come in here and saying your name is you shot my mom or something. LUNC is a perfect coin for whale manipulation because of a reach, yet all YouTubers bought into it. LUNC is a dead coin. A lot of lives destroyed. Developers left. It's so obvious. Yeah. Xerox Pro, man. Look, dude. I'm not going to sit here. You guys act like, YouTubers are blind. Maybe some of them are, okay? But we know what's going on with the coin. We understand that the developers left it. We understand that they took this coin that had 7 trillion outstanding and decided to go just create a new one and start with a blank slate. That they could choose their price and choose all of that with. That doesn't make sense, man. It's only dead when everybody gives up, not when the developers give up. So what you have is a group of people came in and said the first thing we need to do is clean up the wreckage. Once we clean up the wreckage, then we can start building. And you need to clean up the wreckage by reinstating the stakes so that people can vote. And you clean up the wreckage by cleaning up all of those coins that were minted in order to repeg UST to $1. And that's exactly what is happening on the 20th. So we are still in the very early stages. Yes, we know that it was abandoned by developers, but it has not yet been abandoned by the community. If it does get abandoned by the community, I will wholeheartedly agree with you that it's done and dead. Any coin, if Bitcoin was abandoned by the community, it would be done and dead as well. So it's very difficult for anybody to come in here and say that this project is dead, just to say that it's dead. I mean, I don't think that is. If you're going to say it's dead, I know you try to back it up with the developers leaving and stuff, but you've at least got to leave that Discord up there so I can discuss my end of the bargain there as well. Check Twitter, Bonnie. All right. Do you want me to check it now? You just send me a message or a mention. You know, Clay, in a year or two, I will look back to this week, in this very moment. I'm truly thankful I found your channel last week. I know your words are what I need to hear. Nico Klein, very nice. And whether the price is up or down, man, I hope you look back on this week, this moment in time, as you were able to make the decision that was best for you. AMC Trapper in the house, baby. Oh, it broke that line. Oh, no, sell, run for your lives. Yeah, dude. Chris. This little afternoon trend line, we may be hitting some lower highs now. Uh-oh. Good news is, if you're just going on the afternoon trend, what we've got going on over the last hour or so, we do have a horizontal level of support that could form around this area right here. So, if you're willing to watch Terra Luna Classic drop 100 points per coin, then we may drop 100 more points per coin right here. And it actually didn't do what the next expected guess would be. The next expected guess was a continuation of this trend line right here, and it didn't do it. That just goes to show you that technical analysis doesn't always hold up. Let's see. So, should I be expecting a shirt soon? Keith, technically it's not at the post office yet, but yes, you should be expecting it soon. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I probably could just hand deliver it to you, but I don't think I will. I'll take it to the post office. Next level. First day of doing nothing. I could hand deliver probably to anybody in Ohio. That would be sweet, wouldn't it? Just you order a shirt and you live in Ohio, boom, hand delivered. And by hand delivered, I mean I throw it in your mailbox and run. Yeah. I throw it in your mailbox and run, man. You're right. Thank you. Stay safe, and I wish you and your family all the best. Nico, perfect, man. Hey, what's up, Clay, bro? Content creator, what's going on, man? You cough, Clay. Where does it come from? Like, where does it come from? It comes from my throat, dude. It comes from right here. I don't know what it is. There's an irritation that it's almost like I got some phlegm or something down in my throat that I got to clear. But I never clear anything. But where does it actually come from? I had the C word. I was sick with the C word like, what, 2 or 3 weeks ago now? And this stupid cough has been sitting around this entire time. So I haven't been able to shake it yet. That's where it comes from. And very sorry. I know that it's gross. I would not want to be listening to somebody who coughs every like 1 minute or 2 minutes or whatever trying to clear their throat. But I know that I will shake it, guys. I know I will shake it. Yira, hey, just getting on here. Have you talked about Shib yet? What do you think is going to happen with Shib? Actually, we've not talked about Shiba today. I'll talk about Shiba in 2 seconds after I say, Tim, thank you for the salt shaker. Tim, you pour that salt out on the table. And you throw it over your shoulder. And because salt tastes so good, you just... But every time, Tim, it gets in your eye, man, and it stings. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super sticker. I know you guys like that salt shaker. I don't know why. All right, just a few more weeks and it's gone. Boom, baby. Let's get rid of that stupid cough in a few more weeks. Please, long haul C word. I'm telling you, man. I feel great, though. I feel great. You know, when I was sick, and if you guys had it, terrible headache, tired, I did have some lower back pain, stuff like that. But no, I feel fine right now. It's just like, go like this to yourself. Just a slight amount of pressure right down here at the bottom of your, whatever you would call this area, right where your chest hair starts to come up under your neck. Call it that area. Put your thumb right there. And just see how annoying that is. And then you see that you would constantly want to go to knock that thumb and open up your pipe a little bit more there. That's what I'm dealing with 24 hours a day. Deez, thank you very much. This is how you properly eat a hot dog, guys. It's called the dip and shove. You take the hot dog and you dip it. You dip it in your favorite dip. Whatever your favorite dip is, you dip it. And you take that hot dog and you shove it. D's, man. Thank you very much for teaching these noobs how to properly eat a hot dog, man. Totally agree with none. Next week is crucial. If there is no rebound, yes, it will go dead. Let me. KVPM, I don't know if I can 100% agree with that. I can slightly agree with that, though. I think that the hype may die down for a while, and the excitement may die down for a while. I do agree with that part. But as far as it being, like, done and dead forever, that's hard for me to say, because if you would have said the same thing back here, I can almost guarantee that you guys were saying the same thing back here. I can almost guarantee it. You know, it ran up and then just started to die down here. 10,000 to 8,000 to 10,000 to 8,000, doing nothing. And I'm sure there were a lot of people that thought it was dead. You might be one of them. And then we started to get news of was staking. Look at this, just flat. We start to get news of staking. Ooh, what is this staking business? Oh, run? Okay, 12,000 points. Oh, nice run. And then here we are today. So, you know, we may end up with a period that is, yes, difficult to handle for some people, but I don't know if it necessarily signals an end to what Terra Luna Classic can be doing. Moji says, we've had the hot dog, we've had the salt shaker, but we have not yet had a banana. Lick and stick. The only way to eat a banana, you take it, you peel it. Tilt the head back a little bit, maintain eye contact, you lick it, you stick it. Thank you very much, Moji, for teaching these kids how to eat a banana. Really appreciate that, man. Moji, yes! All the miners had to sell Ethereum to cover their operating costs of the miners. Dude, mining is expensive, man. If you don't have, like, solar energy and wind energy and basically free energy, you are paying a lot to cover the mining expenses. JB's not kidding on that one, man. Will that burn make it race? So, Hemling, my thought is kind of like two-pronged, okay? Yes, it absolutely could make it race higher. People get excited about it. They can see that the burns are going to be happening. A bunch of hype and excitement continue on through the 20th, and it runs because of that. Now, what happens after? Does it maintain those levels? Does it die back down a little bit? There are a lot of questions left afterwards that I don't have the answer to. Or we could see some sort of a phase where we simply are buying the rumor and selling the news. And yes, it does get some hype leading into the 20th, but after the 20th, people are selling the news and it does sell off. So there's a lot of concern going into it, but I believe as we approach the 20th, people should get excited the same way that they were excited about staking. And D's, man, D says, oh my goodness, let me some of that clear rose peach. D's, man, thank you very much for Clay Bros Peach there. The Iron Neon. I have no idea where you are, dude, but IDR, I gotta see what currency IDR is. I don't even know. What is this? Indonesian rupiah. Wow, Indonesia. Thank you very much. The Indonesian rupiah from the Iron Neon. This dude says, I've never seen anybody eat a banana like that. What do? Do it again? Okay, I'll do it again. The Iron Neon. You take the head back a little bit. You lick it. You stick it. The Iron Neon, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. And I thought I saw another come across. It did. Chris, man, with the super chat. Chris says, someone said next week is a crucial week. Ah, man, Chris is starting to feel it. Just like every day, crucial since AMC and GME started this poo. Tomorrow isn't crucial. It's just another day. Chris has been born again. Chris has become a dangerous man. Nothing will affect this guy now. Look at this. Chris, there's two ways to think about this, okay? Becoming like bitter and not thinking stocks in crypto can ever go up because of this nonsense that we've been fed for like 2 years now about squeeze happening tomorrow, moons, like all of this stuff. And in the fact that you are developing a sense of, I really don't care about the short term. The only reason I'm going to invest is because I want my 10, 20, 30, 40-year future to have $1, $2, $5, $10 million in it. And, dude, I can guarantee you right now, if Elon Musk looked at the short-term movements of his stock, even if he looked at the weekly, monthly movements of his stock, and he focused on that and said, my God, dude, today I have $280 billion. Oh my God, dude. Today I lost $20 billion. Think about that. You can't reach those levels if you plan on short-term gains. You just can't do it. You will get sick and you will die trying. Okay? Chris could absolutely be forming into a very dangerous man here in the sense that the short term, it's not even on your radar. And I know it makes it difficult to come in here and hang out in a live stream to watch these prices all day and hear them and talk about them and so on. But there's a difference in somebody who doesn't even care. They make the money, they throw it in, and they don't even care about it until 10, 20, 30 years down the road. And by then, dude, it either didn't do anything or you're an absolute millionaire. So, Chris, man, I hope you make it. The Iron Neon says, I can't smile any bigger. Thank you very much. Iron Neon, man, thank you very much for that super sticker. That was as big as I could go. Thank you very much. Looks like I got extra teeth when I do that. Iron Neon, thank you for the super sticker, man. Hold till I got nothing left. Bonnie, boom. Bonnie just dove into the deep end. Hopefully you can swim, Bonnie. Bronson, that's about the only thing that can ruin my day. I don't even know what Bronson said. Darn it, I can ruin Chris's day. I got the free shirt. Dang it, man. It's true. It's true. Bronson did. Chris didn't. Dang it, man. I don't want to ruin Chris's day, though. Lunar Shiba Inu, the close... Ooh, Harry Potter. Gosh. It's going to be a battle. It's going to be a battle. Why do I say it's going to be a battle? We've got the burn tax coming out on September 20th. I do think that that's going to be a catalyst. The Shibarium and AAA graphics game release should be coming out at the end of September. Short-term future, I'm thinking in the next couple of months, right? It's absolutely going to be a battle. Long-term future, I could see Shiba Inu coin easily 10xing from here as the bull market returns. However, and I believe the Shiba Inu coin community might be a little bit more, not necessarily committed than lunatics, but they've been through more. Therefore, they've already proven that they will stay here. So I like the longer term look on Shiba Inu coin. Longer term on Luna Classic though. Guys, if this burn tax works, and if people do begin to rebuild on the blockchain, yeah, you're going to see some strong gains. And 10, 20, 30x is an absolute possibility. The Iron Neon, thank you for 2 more. This dude is hungry today. Iron Neon, you take that hot dog, right? And you dip it. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever your dip is, you dip it in, and you take it in one bite. You just shove it, man. That's what you do. And then afterwards, you look at Claybro's peach. You can touch it. Fuzzy peach. Thank you very much. I don't know if it goes blurry or if it just gets a little blurry when I come back off the screen, but sorry if it's blurry. I can't look at the screen and do that at the same time. Voyager going up for auction about Pudgy. Is it really? Should we buy Voyager? I want to buy Voyager. Let's see. We're going to kill Claybro again today. Don't do it, man. Don't kill me. Lick and stick. Ape loves the lick and stick. You think Ethereum Classic is going to get some movement from the miners who are losing ability with Ethereum? Yes. I do. I don't think that they're just going to... Well, here, let me put it this way. A lot of the miners that will be losing the ability to mine Ethereum, they probably will not mine Ethereum Classic. There will be a subset that sells off of their graphics cards. So you may actually be seeing that right now. Actually, I do want to. You guys don't mind if I look at that real quick, do you? I want to look and see if these graphics cards are coming down in value. If they are, you could pick some up and begin mining if you wanted. But you have to remember, yes, once you can no longer mine Ethereum, you're going to be mining these other altcoins. And I think it could be beneficial for those altcoins. But I still think you're going to have a lot of people mining Ethereum that are just going to swap over to a different coin. Okay, in live stream, you are very strange. Man. What do you do when they send a super sticker? You got to do the super sticker, man. Chris Clay. I hang out in the lives. Yes, I like the chat. But yes, a very burnout on the day-to-day. Profit today or no profit. Hey, they made a profit. But still patience. Just got to start doing more for me right now. Chris, and listen, man, that makes you a dangerous man long term. It does. When you don't worry about the ups and the downs on a day-to-day basis, once you realize that investing isn't for tomorrow, next week, or next month, that's trading. Trading focuses on short-term gains. Investing focuses on just building a portfolio. And when you understand and just internalize that difference, dude, you're going to take a lot of stress out of your life. Don't forget, Tim, don't forget. So, yes, don't do it. The Shib community has been through so much. Internet breaking soon. Internet breaking. Oh, and soon. Yes. The Tim. Yes. And the internet has never been broken before. One by brother. Don't do around. Never. Bonnie, we never bite around it. We just go one fell bite, altcoin-wise, something. Platforms, trade. Oh, man. Eugene Miller. I think that almost all platforms trade Shib by now. If you even want to use, there's a link in the description for Webull. You can use Webull down there. You got a link for KuCoin. There's plenty of platforms. Crypto.com. There's plenty of platforms that trade Shiba Inu coin. So with that $35 trillion DTCC upgrade. Fabian, I have not seen the DTCC upgrade, man. Don't mess around, bro. One bite. Yeah, Bonnie, exactly. Don't mess around. Digital currency is equal to one world currency. I have spoken, depending if the entire world accepts it. Yes. Exactly, Clay. You are exactly right. Content creator. I don't even know what you're referencing, but perfect. The Iron Neon. Thank you for the... Thank you very much, Iron Neon, for the super sticker. We get Michael with the fist. Bump. Fist. Bump. Fist. Bump. Fist. Bump. Thank you very much to the most consistent super chatter in the game, man. Michael killing it with that fist bump yet again, man. Give likes to Mr. Clay. Minimum we can do. Luis, appreciate that, man. It really is, guys. Click that like button. Even if you don't like it, click it anyway. Click it, at least shave your neck so the black peach doesn't look like it's on a vine. Oh, God. What do you mean, Kai? I did shave my neck. I did. Just be glad that you can't really see that it's connected to my chest hair at this point in the game. It literally does connect, dude. You guys can barely see it because I did just recently shave, but I'm telling you, man. It just goes all the way down. You thought Austin Powers was hairy. Dude, imagine, if I didn't even shave this little area in here, trim this bad boy up every once in a while, and it just went full on, down. Yeah. You guys would be like, oh, this dude's not wearing a shirt. And I'd be like, oh, yes, I am. Also, originally thought that AMC was a way to get rich, but I honestly would not have learned as much as as I have lately if I never joined. So maybe not life-changing money, but life-changing knowledge. Chris, it really is. It's only life-changing, though, if you apply it. You've got to apply it. I can sit here and tell you all day how to apply it like some sort of a coach, but not do it myself, right? So you guys, it is a personal decision that you have to make in order to invest in your future and not your now. It's very difficult. It's very difficult to expect now major gains. We'll go over a little exercise here. It's not that difficult if you are looking at major long-term gains. But right now, Skinner, keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh my gosh, Skinner, thank you for the workout. Really appreciate that, man. You guys are awesome with the super stickers. Really making me work for it today. Heck yeah, man. Is dit in patient also? Is dit even patient also? I don't even know, man. Good afternoon, all. Riptide Redemption, what's going on? Okay, surprised you still have the cough. Michael, me too, man. Me too. The last time I had it, I know that I had the same exact cough. The end of 2019, beginning of 2020. And it lasted from like November 2019 through May of 2020. So it was around a while. It took me a while to kick. Oh, dude, look how fast Chris is. My gosh, dude. Dyson, fam, thank you for grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. I need 218 welcome Dysons in the chat right now. Dyson, thank you for grabbing the green name. Dyson, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord as well. Let me get you guys a link that I can throw up in the Discord there for the Discord. But I do want to say, if you're not in the Discord, definitely jump in because you're going to get those perks. If you get a green name in the chat here, you're going to have a green name in the chat in the Discord. You're going to have access to the private room where the supporters talk, and then you're going to have the ability to send pictures and all of that stuff. So make sure to join the Discord. The link's pinned to the top. If you guys aren't in it already, it is absolutely free. But if you got a green name in here, you might as well get in the Discord for sure. The Iron Neon, thank you very much for the... Thank you very much, Iron Neon. And we got the Iron Neon grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Iron Neon, I love it, man. Guys, jump in the Discord right now if you haven't done so already. Really appreciate every single one of you guys. In the community net, we got Will Ma Willie Fit. Waving to Will Ma Willie Fit. I got the Discord open right here so you can see who jumps in. Will jumping into the Discord right now. Everybody welcoming the Iron Neon and everybody welcoming Dyson into the chat right now. But if you guys want to join the Discord, man, Genie B, waving at Genie B in the Discord. Thank you very much for grabbing that, or for jumping in the Discord, not grabbing a green name. But definitely, man, is Megal. Megal is starting to run after hours. Oh my God, people are still in Megal. This is crazy. What is Megal doing here? Megal. It is running after hours. It's up 10% right now. Man. Megal going on a nice little jog today. Up 18% on the day. And up another 11.5% after hours. Is anybody in Megal at these lows of about $5 per share? $4, $5 per share? If you guys got in, you're doing pretty good. All the way up to $6 now. Like 40% total gain so far. Not bad at all, man. Anybody in Megal? I didn't touch it, but if you guys touched it, did you touch it? Did you? Did you touch it? Let us know if you guys are still in and making some money there. Let's see. What happens for LUNC? Amir. Very good question. So if you want to know what's going to happen next, I don't know what's going to happen next. But I know that we've still got the burn catalyst coming out on the 20th of September. We've got a little bit of a stagnation period in between now and then. People love catalysts, and they really need to focus on those catalysts to see the gains. That's a certain subset of traders. And then there's a certain subset of holders that will just hold for the future and see what happens. So it's very, very difficult to predict with any level of certainty what comes next. Peggle? Megal. D's. Best name ever. Raleigh Wogan likes D's name. Oh my God. Please, what are your thoughts about LUNC today, and what does it mean for the future? I will answer that question right after I say Warrior of God 111. Thank you for grabbing that green name and becoming a little bro. Yes, man. Hey, Warrior, jump in the Discord if you're not in it already. STSY, man. I don't know. STSY, if that's the same one, you should have a green name, right? STS is in the Discord. STSY has a green name here. Should have a green name in the Discord, no? Am I mistaken on that? Not exactly sure. But, guys, there's 220 of you in here. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 welcomes. There's 220 of you, and I see 5 welcomes for Warrior of God. 6 welcomes. Thank you, AMC Trapper. Really appreciate that. Guys, really, if somebody's willing to support the channel like that and grab that green name, don't take it lightly. Jump in, even if you're just like at work right now. Just say welcome in the chat, or just say warrior in the chat. Like, welcome the dude for grabbing that green name. That's one of the best things that I like to do, is because it alleviates a little bit of you guys saying something in the chat. Like, if you're nervous to say something, don't be nervous to say anything, but at least welcome some of the new members and show them how the bros act, man. Warm welcome from that's what I'm talking about. Julio, Joe, Space Safe, Football, Chris, Matt, Warrior of God, love it, Fairgrounds, Show Carter. Perfect, man. Perfect. Frank is driving. Frank, be careful now. Fabian, you're welcome. Thank you, Fabian. Appreciate it. Welcome, Warrior Lysergic. Raphael, welcome, bro. Content creator, welcome. Yes, now I love it. Welcome, green people. Angel of Heaven, welcome you, green people. I like it. Austrian powers. Very good. We'll jump into LUNC in a second here. I wanted to go back up and see what me bro said. Okay, so what are your thoughts about LUNC today? Let's extend this graph a little bit. We've gone over this a couple times, but we'll look at it again. I want to go over the hourly chart, because the action today, yes, is to the downside. Yes, over the last 24 hours or so, it is breaking that ascending trend line and starting to come down here. What we've got on this hourly chart when we scroll out. Now, I mean, it's a slightly deformed head and shoulders. It's not perfect, but you can see here that we've bounced up and created this shoulder. Okay, we bounced up and created this head. We've bounced up, not as high, and created this other shoulder. Now, the first shoulder kind of formed in this area, depending on where you guys want to take the start. Okay, if you take it from here, we're already breaking down below. But I would rather take it from the breakout on the way up here, and use this area right down in here between 28,000 and 30,000 points per coin. If this is the base, this is what we absolutely need to see hold up. The price action that we've got today basically confirms that head and shoulders. And a head and shoulders typically means that it's a technical turning point. A bull run turns into a bear run. The gains turn into losses. Now, the only way to confirm that is if it breaks down through this level of support right here. Okay? If it does, you can start to be bearish if you're a technical trader. If it does, for me, okay, this is kind of my red line right here. 22,000 was extremely significant. It was an extremely significant level of resistance on the way up. And when we broke it, we had some nice runs and used it nicely as support there for a few days. If we break the head and shoulders to the downside, I'm not terribly concerned until we break this 22,000. However, if you guys want to, move, I guess, a little quicker, this 28 to 30,000 is probably your line to look at as to whether or not this downtrend is continuing. That's the action that I'm looking at today, is kind of combining the action over the last couple of weeks on Terra Luna Classic. Nonetheless, that is basically a 100% technical look on things. If you add in that the burn taxes are happening in 8 days, if you add in the fact that we are just beginning, if you add in the fact that we are in a crypto bear market and Terra Luna Classic is still up 200, 300, almost 300%, it's 236%, I believe, on the month, there's a lot to be bullish about as well. Let's see. How was lunch? Not LUNC. We all know. I don't care. Chris, I didn't actually eat lunch, man. I had some guacamole, and I made some guacamole and ate some pretzels for lunch. So I didn't really have a big lunch or anything. Guacamole and pretzels is what I had for lunch today. So it tasted good, but not necessarily filling, man. I'm waiting for it to go down the arm so I can buy more. Kenneth, that's the thing, dude. That's the thing. If you really have that long-term conviction that LUNC will do well, I think you're solid, dude. I think you're solid. Ask the 8-ball. Will LUNC stay above 23,000? 8-ball knows all. We got to ask the 8-ball. The only way I'm asking the 8-ball is if I see a massive amount of 225 welcome Mitches in the chat right now. I love it. Mitch, man. Thank you very much for grabbing that. Dude, look at Mitch's welcome right here. I know. I'm going to scroll down right now. I know there's 100 welcomes to Mitch. Oh, you guys are leaving me. Oh, you get... You guys are doing it to me, man. You guys are doing it to me. Welcome, welcome, Mitch. How many welcomes we got? I see 4 more. Ah, now they're rolling in. Mitch, baby. Oh, yes. And Mitch has like 1.7 million Luna Classic. Loving it, dude. Loving it. There's the welcomes rolling in. And we'll ask the 8-ball. Is Luna Classic... We need to know. Will Luna Classic... There, I love that, man. I love when you... It's annoying if you guys spam the chat with, like, I don't know, sex chats or whatever. Gay... Just... Don't be rude to anybody. But when you spam with welcomes to everybody and it's not some sort of vulgar, you guys are clowns, you guys need the boys and girls sex chats and stuff like that. No, I don't like that stuff. But yes, this stuff, perfect. 23,000. Will Luna Classic fall below 23,000? Ask again. You didn't hear me the first time. Will Terra Luna Classic fall below 23,000? Concentrate and ask me again. Will Terra Luna Classic, I'm concentrating, fall below 23,000? Oh God, it says yes, definitely, man. If the 8-ball, look at this. If the 8-ball is never incorrect, it says yes, definitely on the 8-ball, man. Oh jeez. Ah, jeez, dude. It says yes, definitely. Told you that was a bad idea. It was a terrible idea. Oh, God. That's the 8-ball saying it, man. That's the 8-ball saying it, not me. That's the 8-ball. I gotta get a drink. 8-ball's gotta go, bro. Dyson. This 8-ball's about to get chucked across the room right now. Who made me ask that question? I don't even know. Oh, my God. I say break it. Matt Z says break it. Somebody give me a hammer. Oh, jeez. All right. Can you go cry now? No. Who made me ask that question? Darn it. Oh, my goodness. Rigged. I know it's got to be rigged, dude. Something going on with that. Darn this April. Carlos. God. It made me ask twice. It made me concentrate. And then it gives me this, yes, definitely nonsense. Oh, my gosh. Asking if Shib will hit the 2,000 level this month. All right, we got one more. This is it, man. Shout out Arthur for boosting the... Yo, Arthur, man. Shout out for boosting the Discord. Boom, baby. You see that pink name in the Discord? Heck yeah. Arthur, you're killing it, dude. Arthur just boosted the Discord right now. Guys, if you see that pink name in the Discord, shout out, guys. Shout out to Arthur in the Discord as well. JB, man. Thanks for keeping an eye on that. Absolutely, you guys are all clowns. Trying to fit 30 people on a mini slug bug. We got to get out of here with that. Yes, we do, man. Hey, is Shiba Inu coin going to go above 2,000 points per coin this month? Hey, you guys ask some good questions now because the 8-ball is having a good time. As I see it, yes. As I see it, yes. Shiba Inu coin will be rising above 2,000 points per coin this month. The Magic Fun 8-ball just turned into a Magic Money-Making 8-ball. Let's get it. Anybody else got some good questions? You better ask them now. The 8-ball's feeling frisky. Best price to jump into Luna Classic as it's bouncing off a level of support, man. Bouncing off levels of support are always good times to get into any investment. Steve Rose, boom, baby, grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. I love it, man. Steve. Steve. Watch the chat blow up, Steve. These guys have learned very well this session. Steve. You guys are about to see 249 welcome Steves into the chat right now. Frank, man. Frank even blowing it up as he's going. Ask the 8-ball if meme stock MOAS is starting soon. Frodo, that's the question everybody needs answered. Hey, is Magic 8-ball, is the meme stock short squeeze going to happen soon? Frodo's gonna kill me, man. Frodo's gonna kill me. Chris, on the other hand, might like this answer. Is the short squeeze gonna happen soon? Don't count on it. Don't count on it. Oh my God. Don't count on it, man. Let's see if we can get some of that fuzz off there. All right, that's gonna be better. Next time we read, yeah, gonna be better. No fuzz on there now. Oh, Frodo. Don't count on the MOAS, the meme stock MOAS starting anytime soon, man. We can't count on it, dude. No! Oh my gosh. All right, Frodo from the Shire? Yes, bearish 8-ball. This is a bearish. This 8-ball can't make up its mind. It's bullish on Shiba Inu coin this morning, but it's bearish on Luna Classic and AMC at the moment. So be very careful with. Sorry, yes, John Jay, it is your fault, dude. It is your fault. Oh my gosh. Gosh, you guys are gonna kill me on this one. Frodo, sorry about that. It's not my decision. My moon is soon. The 8-ball says don't count on it. Too late, Magic 8-ball. I'm already counting the MOAS. Where's my money? That's where my money is. Let's do it, Frodo. All right, man. Frodo remained positive throughout the 8-ball, tearing him down there. Clay Bros, fuzzy. Yeah, that ball was a little fuzzy, wasn't it, man? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a ball. Fuzzy Wuzzy was fuzzy, wasn't he? Now it does look a lot better now. Like, you guys can ask questions now and not see all that fuzz. I don't know where that dust came from. I mean, it is a little scuffed. The 8-ball is a little scuffed, as you can see. But nonetheless, dude, I don't know where that fuzz came from. Rover, thank you for joining the Discord. Really appreciate that, man. Donate the 8-ball to Dome. Dude, wouldn't that be hilarious? Like, if I did have Do Kwon's address and I did send the 8-ball to him, said, dude, you need more luck than I do. Here you go. And I gave him like a mood ring and a rabbit's foot. Yes, change your name. Me? I gotta change my name? We talking to somebody? Oh, yeah, I shot my mom. I shot my dad. Yeah, you gotta change your name, dude. Come on, it's weird. I mean, you don't have to, but it's really weird for people to read that name, right? Like it really, if you think about it, dude, it really is kind of weird for people to read that name. Like, what if you got some, I don't know, dude, some 19-year-old in here, and then all of a sudden you're like, I shot your. I mean, I guess they're probably a little bit weirder than I am at 33 at 19. So what if you got some like 55-year-old woman in here and you're like, I shot, and you're like, my mom's not with us anymore. Come on, dude. Be nice to people's mothers here. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika pika. Hello, brother. Later than never. I'm in the house. Rubens, what's going on, man? 8-balls are bad for your health. And bad for your portfolios, too. Bad for your portfolios as well. We should make an 8-ball portfolio where we literally just follow what the 8-ball says for that day, and we make day trades. On the overall, we just do it on the market. We'll play like QQQ or SPY options or something, and simply make trades with the 8-ball for one straight week. See if it turns out profitable. If it does, we stay in. If it doesn't, we don't ever do it again. See Brian Jung interviewing, I think, 20-year-old with his supercar from AMC Stock. Dreams can be made if you're willing to be patient. No, but I do know who Brian Jung. Brian Jung was interviewing somebody, or they were interviewing Brian Jung. Because, yes, I did see where Millennial Money talked to Brian, and Brian said he had made some money on AMC and did very well with YouTube videos and stuff. So, yes, I did see that. But I didn't see one where he was interviewing somebody. Why would you want your name? Exactly, AMC Trapper. Exactly, man. Not everyone has mine. I know, D's. It's crazy. Hey, bro, we need to advance the 8-ball. No. Tim, not happening, man. Definitely not happening. Let's see. Can you ask the 8-ball about the Ethereum merge? Shoesmith, you got to be specific. It's got to be a yes or no question. You can sell 8-balls. M. And that's actually a really good idea, dude. I should open up a Shopify store connected to the YouTube, and I should sell lava lamps and 8-balls. Dude, M just made a genius move, man. M just made a genius move. We're gonna bring the 8-balls back. We're gonna have an 8-ball portfolio, and we're gonna open up a Shopify store connected to YouTube here. We're gonna sell 8-balls and lava lamps. What is this, man? 1995? This is definitely happening. M is a genius, man. I'll even say if I do that and it works, I might even send M a free shirt. Heck yeah. It's bad. Instead of watching Queen Elizabeth, I kind of am sad that it's not Nancy P. No, it's not sad at all, man. Come on already. She's like 800 years old. Even Yoda is like, die you already, you will. Yes. John J. I think Nancy P might be older than Yoda. I think it might be. But I think Luke will rise up again like before. Rubens, yeah. I was actually expecting this price action last week. I don't know if you guys remember that video I did talking about difficulty ahead, and Terra Luna Classic may fall in price as the future unfolds here, because we're in between catalysts. And I think that's what we're experiencing right now. A lot of impatient retail traders waiting for the burn tax to take place, and as they're waiting, they're selling off, and there's not much excitement bringing new buyers in, and we're seeing a little bit of a decline in price. So I do think that it will rise again, but it's going to need that catalyst in order to do so. Put a Claybro logo on them and sell like hotcakes. Man, we get some bro 8-balls, man. We get some bro 8-balls. We're going to make it happen, dude. Little bro lava lamps, little bro 8-balls. Heck yeah. But I'm going to explain to a dummy how burning is working, why it is hyped, and I have 2.5 million LUNC invested before the burning was not mentioned. Kind of missing or better not understand. Yeah. Absolutely. Rasayan? Very sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. Burning is essentially taking those coins out of circulation forever. So if you think about it, if you took a dollar bill out of your pocket and you lit it on fire, you burnt it, I can't use that dollar bill anymore. Nobody can use that dollar bill anymore. And the idea behind it is that as things become more rare, they become more valuable. So if we start to take Terra Luna Classic coins permanently out of circulation, they can never be put back into circulation. We increase the rarity, and therefore they become more valuable. So if there's 7 trillion of them outstanding, they might be worth 0.0003. If there's 5 trillion outstanding, 0.0004. 4 trillion, 0.0005. 1 trillion, 0.001. Ooh, we dropped a 0. If we get it down to 500 billion, it could be worth 0.003. So as you increase the rarity by taking these coins out of circulation, you theoretically increase the value in what's remaining. So that's the idea behind it. Now, in order to burn them, all you do is send them to a wallet that nobody's got the password for. It's like locking them up in a safe and sending them to the bottom of the ocean. Nobody can ever touch them again. So the only ones that remain in circulation theoretically become more valuable. If you still have questions, like how do you burn them or stuff like that, please, by all means, let me know. But you're essentially sending them to an address that they can never be accessed again. A Snowbro globe. Dude, a Snowbro globe would act... Alright, guys. You guys... Yeah, I need to get on Alibaba and order some of these novelties, man. We need some bro 8-balls. We need... And the answers can be like, let's get started, and stuff like that. We need some bro lava lamps. Bro etched into the lava lamp, because if it's a sticker, it'll probably catch on fire. Nobody wants to burn their house down. And then we could get some bro snow globes. You guys could give your mom a nice snow globe for Christmas. You guys are starting to catch on, man. I like it. Prism, burning LUNC, and staking LUNC. They are going to the Terra Classic bridge. Will it make a difference? Genie B, it's only going to make a difference in the long term especially when you're talking about some of these lower level burns and staking. Staking is nice because it gives people voting rights and power over the future. I'm not a huge advocate of staking because I really don't like locking things up. I prefer liquidity, especially in something as volatile as cryptocurrency. But as far as the burns go, you know, a lot of people get excited and hyped because they want it to happen and they want it to happen by tomorrow. You got to realize if there are percentage burns, these things are going to take a long time to see come to fruition. And a long time might be a year. A long time might be 3 or 4 years. But nonetheless, if you think about it, if you had to wait if you're sitting on $1 million, LUNC, and you had to wait 5 years, and your portfolio is worth $100,000 to $250,000 in 5 years from now, is anybody in here going to be upset? Really? I mean, maybe if you're like 95 years old right now and you think you're going to die in the next 5 years, you might be upset. But you'll be able to pass it on to your kids and grandkids. So would anybody in here actually be upset if you invested it now and it did take 5 years to do anything? I don't think you would. I wouldn't be. I would love for a decent investment to turn into a $250,000 investment. And I hope you all would. Libro program to assign random stock to each of the 20 results of Magic 8 Ball. Each day is randomized, and that is your day trade stock. Oh my, dude, Frank's actually getting serious with this 8 Ball trade here. We might have to make something like this happen, dude. Primitive. If we use the excessive heat from the coming burns to make tasty hot dogs, it would be a double value takedown. Dude, I don't know where some of your guys' minds go, man, but I love it. Let's see. We need some little clay plush dolls or clay bobbleheads. Oh, God. The sad thing is, I know for a fact that these people probably make clay bro bobbleheads. Like I'd be able to send my picture into some Chinese manufacturer at Alibaba and have bobbleheads made for like $2 a piece or something. Oh, gosh. Dude, nobody in here, tell me yes or no, nobody in here would actually want like a bobblehead or a little plush toy. Oh, gosh. Don't make it rhetorical. Literally answer that. There's no way you guys say yes to that. That would be weird. Where would you put? You put that on your office? Like on your desk at work? Like, what do you do with that? D says, I'd be happy. Absolutely, man. Me too. What do we got here? Oh my gosh, Sarah Destekroy. I love that green name, Sarah Destekroy. Holding on to my Shib and Luna no matter what. Sarah Destekroy is not messing around. Heck yeah, old rounder. No, thank you, man. Thank you. Sup, Clay? Jay Hagan, how you doing? Clay Bro, 8 Ball. Yep. Okay, the 8 Ball I could kind of see, though. The bobblehead might be weird. Clay Bro, salt and pepper shakers. Now, that's actually a classic. I would actually buy a bro salt shaker. I would actually buy a bro salt shaker. I think that would be sweet. And, like, you guys could, too. I got this glass right here. You guys could get... Oh, it's not going to focus, is it? Move. You guys could get a bro glass, too. Yeah. Bro glasses. Bro salt shakers. Razi! Thank you for the boom boss, baby. Boom boss, baby. Boom boss, baby. Razi, thank you for the You guys, you can't... Can it move? Can it move? Oh, you guys can't see it moving. Thank you, Razi, very much for the super sticker. And D's! You pour the salt out on the table. You just pour it out and throw it over your shoulder for good luck. And because that salt tastes so good, every time, man, you got to get it closer to your mouth or it goes in your eye. And it stings. Thank you very much. Look at this hair. What is that doing? Razi, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate you and D's. Each evening, ask if you should sell the crypto or hold. Shoesmith. And if you answer sell, sell. If you answer hold, hold. Some Claybro shirts. Oh, I have Claybro shirts. I just don't have a lot right now. Look, I want to show you this one. This one's going to Keith, man. This one here is going to Keith. I don't know if Keith is in here right now or not. But this one's, hold on. This one's going to Keith, though. If you guys haven't seen this one yet. Yeah, dude. Gray with the red bro. It's going to Keith for sure, man. So, Keith, you're going to have this shirt as soon as I stop being lazy and go to the post office. I don't know if Keith's listening right now or not, but yeah, definitely Keith. Clay, what about the plastic wallets you promoted for a day? You know, Chris, I never actually used their affiliate link, and they stopped contacting me. I don't know, but I do have one of these wallets, man. I do have one of these wallets right here, and I actually like these wallets. Like, if you guys don't have one of these wallets and you're still using, like, those other regular wallets, I don't think it's a bad idea to get one of these. I like it. A little money clip on the back, and then you hold your cards in there. And they make some better ones now with some, like, foot buttons and stuff that you guys can get, but I do actually like that wallet. All right, where we at here? So, how do I get a shirt? Matt, I got to order more, man. I got to order more. I basically only have a couple smalls and mediums left right now. So, I do have to order more. Let's see. Why does Keith get a freaking shirt? Well, I mean, if you want the truth, because Keith wears a size that I still have. I was trying to think of something clever, but I didn't think of anything clever enough at the time. Because Keith wears a size that I have, and Keith's in here all the time. So that's really why. It's really why he gets one. I couldn't think of anything, darn it. Let's see. Do you send merch to DK? I'm not going to lie, dude. I can't think of where DK is right now. I have sent merch to... I've sent it to Brazil. I've sent it to Sweden. I've sent it to the UK. I think that's the only places I've sent it overseas. Yeah, it really just depends, dude. Sometimes the shipping rates are absolutely insane. So... like it just depends on if you want to, because dude, I don't want to send you a $15, $20 shirt and then have to pay like $40 shipping or something to get the shirt over there. That doesn't really make sense at that point. But yeah, I could. Donkey Kong, like that's what I'm thinking. Denmark. So I have sent to Sweden, and it did take a very long time to get there. I don't know if they looked at it in customs or why it took like over a month to get there. So yeah, I could, but I mean, it's got some decent shipping rates to get it over there. About to make my own Fall 72 Long Story shirt, bro shirt, a Clay. I'm still repping the channel, so don't sue me. No, dude. Listen, what am I going to do, man? I haven't trademarked the bro logo or anything, so if you guys want to make it, I guess you're going to make it, right? Let's see here. I'm scared about Luna Classic. I'm down 4,000. My average is 0.043. Do you think I'll be okay? So, mind of a milli, what I'm looking at right now, to answer that question, are these levels of support. Do I think you'll be okay? I think you're going to be okay as long as we maintain this level of support in here between 26 and 28,000, and then this line in the sand right here at 22,000. I really do think if we fall below this red line right here, you know, things might slow down for a while. And people are really hyped up when we've got some massive rallies going on. And then afterwards, I mean, it stagnates. There's no denying that it stagnates as people begin to lose interest. And the unfortunate part is they lose interest very quickly. So I do think that we could see another period like this where we trade sideways for several days or weeks. And I'm looking at this red line as a major level of support on the way back down. So we could be completing this head and shoulders right here. And if we do, and it trends lower, it's not good for a technical pattern. But you can't only go by technicals. You have to remember we've got that burn tax coming up on September 20th, and it should, theoretically, be a very nice move to the upside or a very nice catalyst at that time. Visiting Hawaii and listening to Clay Bro. Holding. Sounds like a dream, man. Clay on Etsy. Let's make it happen, Bosco. Bro logo. Brogo, baby. We get that Brogo. Have you unlocked merchandise on your YouTube channel? Yeah, the Iron Neon. I have. I just don't have like a Shopify store or anything like that. And I really don't know about the quality of like Teesprings and that type of stuff. So, yes, I have unlocked that. I do have that. How is it 5 o'clock already? My goodness. Mind of a Millie, I'm not worried until it drops below those levels. So I'm not worried at the moment. But, guys, I can't believe it's 5 o'clock already. Let me put it this way. We're going to get off for now. We will be back later. And I do want to say, I did go live. There's some people on TikTok that are really interested in Terra Luna Classic as well. I went live. I just hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, so solid on that one. But I went live on there today, and there's a lot of people that seem to really be supporting Terra Luna Classic over there. The cool thing is, like Shiba Inu coin got a lot of support there too. AMC was slightly different on TikTok, and AMC had a lot of day traders trying to short AMC on TikTok. But I did go live, and there was a lot of people very interested in Shiba Inu, in Terra Luna Classic today when I went live. So yeah, if you guys want to go over there and blow some stuff up too, I mean, those guys seem to be on board. Bring them over to YouTube. Unite the lunatics is what I'm saying. My gosh, Clay, just get it out. It's time to go. It is. Riptide Redemption says, right before you leave, man, make sure Trapper knows how to properly eat a hot dog. Trapper, you dip that hot dog in your favorite dip, man. Whatever your favorite dip is, barbecue, mustard, you got ketchup, ranch, whatever it is, you dip it in, and then you take it and you shove it. Riptide Redemption, thank you very much for the super chat. Guys, let's do these shout-outs, and we'll be back a little bit later. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Lunatics. We got Mind of a Millie, Jimmy, Moji, Def, Moji, Frodo, have a great night as well, man. John J, Riptide Redemption, D3F, Costas, oh my gosh, what a name there. Costas, Sarganasis, I don't even know. Vecna, what's going on? Vecna, see you later. AMC Trapper, Tim, Mark, Marco. We've got, and it's everything, Primitive, Frank, JC, AMC, or Frodo says, good day today for the apes. Heck yeah, it really was, man, especially earlier on in the day when everything was up 10%. D's, Jimmy, Rabbit, Wabbit, see y'all later. Sarah Destekroy, have a wonderful night, Sarah Destekroy. Rozzy, John J, we got Jeannie, Vecna, Bosco, JB, Mark, Andrew, Pudgy, Frank, Govert Jan, see you later. Holding, see you later, bro. Tim Hogan, all of you guys know what time it is. Daniel Jack, Pudgy, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.